Hello, welcome back. You find me on what is at the moment quite a lovely sunny day down on my plot, and got a nice sort of chilled day today. I'm going to be moving some beds around, finally getting my garlic in, clearing the beds behind me, the ones where my shed will go, moving them out, and if I get time, maybe building some more of the larger beds that are going to go in the area where my shed currently is, because I want to use up the wood that's just sitting around, make use of it. So yeah, relaxed but busy day. I'm under apart from the garlic, I'm under no pressure to get anything in particular done, which is a nice feeling to have, because when you're not under pressure and any time constraints, it's you can relax a bit more and enjoy it, which is really what it's all about. One bad note though, unfortunately, is that the first two potato pots that I planted seem to have blight, so probably going to have to get rid of them and just rely on the last one that I planted a couple of weeks later. I will just double check and make sure it is, but I'm pretty certain it is blight. Don't know where it's come from, but oh well, it's just one of those things. I didn't get any on my tomatoes this year, so I was really lucky. Just happened to my potatoes, so never mind, not too bad. But everything else is going well. Just harvested the last couple of aubergines, so I can clear them out now and move those beds. So let's get to it.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by, it doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again? Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all, I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong.
Okay, so my garlic's finally in. I've got 24 white Casablanca in this one, and I've got 16 pink Germidor, however you say it, I don't know, in this one. So yeah, looking forward to that. Okay, so the next big thing I want to do, I know I keep going on about it, is building my shed. So these two beds here, I'm going to sort them out. I've just cleared a bit out of them, but I'm going to finish sorting them out. I'll get rid of those trees and bushes at the back, so the shed can go almost back to the fence, and clear the ground here, lay some matting down, get it all prepped. So I think that's my job for the rest of the day now.
I want it all, I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. If I could take you back to my youth and show you what I wish I knew, my will is strong with a place to lean. In the moment I hung desperately, the other ring on my wrist is gold, pairing with the light it holds. When I return from my skin and bones, I'm remembering the words
Okay, so cleared and prepped the area for the shed. Now, I'm not going to be building it in the immediate future, but I will be over winter. I've just given a measure up on the bit that I've cleared, and it's just over 3 meters by 3 meters, so 10 foot by 10. And I would imagine that's big enough, to be honest. I was maybe thinking of something a little bit longer, not quite so deep, but I mean, it's certainly a lot bigger than what I've got now. I think 10 foot by 10 foot should definitely be enough. Yeah, so I might not have to move the compost bin straight away, so at least I can build the shed without having to move that, if I decide that 10 foot by 10 is what I want to go with. But I'll have a look over the plans that I made a couple of months ago, see how it fits in with the overall plan and the overall measurements, the beds that I'm going to make. But I've actually still got a bit of time left, so getting on better than I thought I would. So yeah, I'll have a cup of tea and carry on, find something else to do, maybe build some more beds.
Okay, so I know I haven't given myself a lot of space, but the bed that I have taken from the back where my shed was, I am now put down here, and I'm going to be using that for my broad beans when I get some more compost and manure. So they'll probably go in next weekend, towards the end of October. By that time, as I say, I know I haven't given myself a lot of space, but I haven't really got anywhere else to put anything at the moment, and you know, I can reach, so it's all right. And then we've only got the one small bed up there that I haven't properly cleared out yet. Here's my makeshift potato frost protection. The plastic was split a little bit, so I've just put some frost fleece around the side where the plastic was split, and I'm hoping that's going to be enough. You can see them in the bottom there, and I can access them to water them, so hopefully that will be sufficient, because I've lost the other 2 tubs. I've moved the other 2 tubs now, thrown them away. So yeah, I would like to have some potatoes at Christmas. So yeah, it's all looking good at the moment. Then if we go behind me, I've got a big pile of the old bushes and trees that I cut down from the back. Most of it's plum trees from over there, but luckily, as of the 1st of November, we are allowed to burn things. So what I'll do is make sure I'm well away from my beds over there, just use this area here, chop them up and burn them, and all the waste over the back behind those beds over there that I piled up when I cut down the bushes off the fence, I'll burn that as well, and anything that can't go on the compost heap, and I might then cut the bushes down off that bit of fence over there. So yeah, big clear up in the next couple of weeks, and on the 1st of November we'll get burning. I haven't got a huge amount, but yeah, it will be useful, and I can finally get rid of some of the wood that was left from the previous occupant that's no good. Okay, so managed to clear off all the ivy and that from that bit of fence. There's still a little bit on the middle section there, but of course now the pile of rubbish is a lot bigger. But I'm losing the light now. It's just after 5 o'clock. It's clouded over, so there's not much light left, and I got to a point where I can stop today anyway. So yeah, really pleased. Lots of work done today. So I got my small beds in over here, got my garlic in, got my potatoes protected, got the area for my shed clear, and I've cleared another sort of 8-foot section of fence, which I'm pleased with. So yeah, very productive day. So all I've got to do now is tidy up and be on my way. Okay, that's me done for the day. Tidied up now, put everything away. So all
all that's left for me to say is thank you very much once again for watching, and I will see you very soon.
Hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong.